Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel rksoftacademy. So today's in this tutorial session I'll discuss about one topic in PLSQL, but that is very much important topic, and this is regarding the interview questions and answers. So I have already started a series. Who are following my channel and who are watching videos from my channel, they already know that I upload videos on different technologies of Oracle, like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL programming, Oracle forms and reports, Oracle database design, Oracle database administration, and also for Unix shell scripting. Okay, so there are many videos in my tutorial channel. You can just watch it, all the videos, and I started from very basic level, from the Oracle database concept, like introduction to database management system, to the Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, different topics on Oracle SQL, then different topics on Oracle PLSQL programming, and these are very advanced topics as you see in my screens. So I already uploaded a tutorial for Oracle database administration, that is explain plan and materialized views. These are the topics for Oracle database administration. So this and many videos on Oracle advanced topics, PLSQL programming, cursors, exceptions, collections, arrays, records, and also architecture and database administration fundamentals, and these are the other videos. And this is very important videos is internal architecture of Oracle database. Experienced people must have to watch this. And also there is a very important video like select statement processing in Oracle database, and even a 15 years second experienced people when goes to the interview, and when the interviewer asks how select statement is processed inside Oracle, he or she may be unable to answer it. I actually have for my introduction, a short about my introduction is my total. I have total of 17 plus years of experiences working with different Oracle technologies, as I said, and also Unix technologies. And I was in many positions in many IT MNCs, starting from Oracle developer to technical associate, technical consultant, team lead, technical lead, project lead, associate project manager, senior system analyst, and project manager. So in my 17 years of career, whatever experiences I gathered working with different Oracle technologies, I shared all these videos for learning purpose, who wants to learn Oracle different technologies, and also who are not satisfied with their job in the current job, and he or she want to switch in other companies and going to face interviews. For keeping in mind these things, I started one series of interview questions and answers. From here, differences between procedure and functions. So there are many videos, as you see, difference between delete, truncate. These are very important questions, and I discussed in detail with the practical. And table and view, difference between table view, difference between row ID, row num, difference between primary key and foreign key, very important question. And very important question is difference between union all and union. And also I gave interview tips, top 15 interview tips, one video. You can completely watch that, and comment below if you followed these tips in your interview, past interviews, or if you are going to follow this in your future interview. Just comment after watching my video if you learn something from my video, or if this video adds some values to your learning and it was useful for your learning. Just leave a comment after watching each video, and whatever video you watch it completely so that you can understand it well and in detail with hands-on. Okay, and these are very important: raise application error in Oracle database, Oracle programming, PLSQL programming. And this is very much important. It's why gathering statistics is important. This is basically very much important to tuning Oracle database and tuning performance. And there are other topics also. These are interview topics, and this is the one interview tip. You can just watch it. And this is one issue related to cursor. How can you can solve this? You can just watch this. And DBA for Oracle DBA tutorial, there are other two videos, like as you see how to export data in CSV file or Excel file. Very important question, and you will get the detailed answer and with the hands-on with the practical example. Okay, and I'm just introducing me that I have 17 years of experiences working with different technologies in different MNC companies, and I'm right now a senior Oracle consultant as well as a technical and online trainer on different Oracle technologies and Unix technologies. And also I'm an interviewer. I've taken many interviews and taking also many interviews from for the candidate, recruiting candidate in many MNC companies. So in my for my experiences, I have shared all these interview questions and answers videos who are basically just passed out from the college and looking for a job in any IT company related Oracle related post. There are so many Oracle related posts and in positions in many IT companies. So because Oracle is a very secure database, one database, and it is very important technology, and all the small, big and medium sized companies use Oracle as their backend database. So if you learn this backend database technology from basic to like Oracle SQL, and if you have skill in Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, there are huge job in the job market in many companies. Okay, because Oracle is used in almost all companies, either in the application, Oracle application, or in the database as a database. So these are the things I wanted to say before my starting today's session. And if you wanted to join my online training course, you just go to about page. There is my contact details is there. You can just leave a message through WhatsApp in this number, or you can just email me in this email ID, so that you can get the details how to join my training course. Okay, I'll provide you the joining details. Okay, and I teach all these courses through online interactive sessions. There are no pre-recorded session. If you join my online tutorial session, you will get benefit of my session. And there are complete SQL programming, SQL course. There are complete PLSQL programming course, and also database design and architecture course, database administration course, and Unix shell scripting course. So Oracle forms and reports development course. So all these courses you can take advantage of joining my online session, and you will get learn step by step with hands-on, and you can make your skill. Okay, so that's all for my introduction and about my channel introduction. And now I'll going to share my today's topic. I'll going to discuss my today's topic is difference between person type and person row type. Okay, so this is another important questions in you can face in the interview, and it is very important concept to know before you face the interview. So I'll discuss about this, and I will show some practical things on this, so that you can clear about the concept and about the use of this person type and person row type. Okay, so now I'll go to the my SQL prompt, and in my SQL prompt in my database I have a table EMP. So this is dummy table, and I'm using this table to demonstrate about the difference between person type and person row type. Okay, so this is very important question you should know before facing an interview. It can be asked, most of the interview this question has been asked, but candidates are not able to answer. I see in my experiences. Okay, so first of all I wanted to discuss about the person type attribute. This is the person type is attribute, and person type is person row type is another attribute. Okay, so person type basically used to declare the type of variable. Okay, as we declare a variable like different data type like number, char, or variable character, or character, or date. Okay, these are the all data types used in PLSQL programming. So person type is basically a data type, and this data type basically depends on the table columns data type. Okay, so person type basically used for referring the same data type as the column data type of a particular table. Okay, I repeat, person type basically refer the same data type of a column of a particular table. Okay, so I am the declaration of this person type person type attribute or data type is, so we can write like declare there are in EMP table I have EMPNO, employee number, ename or employee name, and salary. Okay, so let's I'll take the salary field. So not a salary field, EMPNO field. So EMPNO. Okay, so in general the program on what programmer do is, this is a number type. If I wanted to see the structure of a table, I can I have to write the command DSC. So DSC basically gives the structure of a table, and after DSC the table name. So it is coming like this. So I have to just set something. Okay, so EMPNO is number 10, ename is varchar2, that is 30 character, and salary is number 10. Okay, so we can see the data type of each column. Okay, so my employee number is number type, this is character type, variable character type, and this is a number type also. So the programming many programmer, what they can do, just they can see the structure of the table, what are the data type of the particular column, and declaring the variable at the same data type, like number, emp number is number, so declaring the variable with the same data type, like this. Okay, like number 10, whatever the data type in the table. So this is very general practice of programming, many programmer can do, but this has some disadvantage. Whatever the disadvantage is, if in future the data type is changed in the table, so this program may not execute and it will mismatch the data type, right? I repeat, if in future the data type is changed, like empno has been changed to the data type of character or variable character. Okay, so this is right now number, and if I change this in future, after this program is on the working state, let's say this program has been already created and in working state, my application is working, and in some future time I'll change the data type of for some requirement I have to change the data type of the any column, not only emp table. In the business application there are many columns, many attribute of that column, so I may have to change the data type of any column, right? So what we can do is, to overcome this disadvantage or whatever the mismatch maybe coming near future, so to overcome that problem, what we can do, that we can declare the variable, our variable in the program, to the same data type of the table. Okay, so the table data type empno data type is number, so I can refer the I'll use the percentage attribute like this, as I described earlier. So my table name is emp and my column name is empno and percent type. So it actually referred to the same data type of empno column of the emp table. So this refers the exactly the same data type, which is the data type of the employee table. So if the future I will make this empno column data type as variable character or varchar, so I need not to change my program declaration of my variable, so it will automatically takes the same data type of the column, okay, which are in the table. So I need not rework on my program. Okay, so this is very important things to keep in remember. This should be the recommended programming techniques, and I'll show you how to program with this declaration. Let's say so I'm writing here declare empno as empno percent type, and I'm writing here begin. Okay, I've let me declare this variable. Let me declare it value also. What is the value? 300. Okay, now I will make select star from emp where empno equal vempno. Okay, now dbms output dot put underscore line. So I'll want to display the let's say I am taking ename, so ename. Okay, so let's run this. Some mismatching is there. I have to yes, this is end. Okay, here is my column name mismatch, so the column name is empno. Okay, empno, spelling mistake, empno equal to vempno. So this is ename, this is ename. Okay, let's run it. Okay, okay, I have missed one semicolon here. I have to use into clause. I forgot to use into clause here. So in PLSQL program you cannot use select statement directly. So select ename into vname. Let's say it is vname. So I've declared this as varchar because we or the same type I will use. I will refer this type. So ename Let's run this. What is this? Ename must be declared. Okay, maybe column name is mismatch. So select star from emp. Column name is ename. Okay. This is mpno ename. mpno ename. Okay. emp is the table. mpno. Okay. This is the line. Now let's see ename. This is correct. After print here v name, I am referring this to a variable. This was the mistake actually. Now you can see PLSQL program or procedure successfully completed, and we can see the name of the employee. So it is displaying the name of the employee. Okay, so you can see 300 is for which employee, 300 is for Albert. Okay, so this is running fine. This program is running fine, like, okay. So this way we can refer the or we can declare the variable with the person type, date person type or attribute. Okay, so this was the complete thing about the person type. Okay, I think you understand it well, how we can use the person type attribute. Okay, Now I'll discuss about row type. Okay, so okay, so how can I use row type with the similar declaration? So this row type, what is the row type? Row type basically refer to the complete row structure of a table. Okay, so I repeat, what is row type attribute? Row type attribute is completely refer or the complete record type of the table. Okay, so I can use the row type variable like this emp. So the since row type is attribute is used for the row means record, so it's a record type variable, so I can refer the complete record by a row type attribute. Okay, the data type of complete row of a table by the row type attribute. So I repeat, I can refer the complete record of a table using the row type attribute. Okay, so emp percent I have to use like this, emp percent row type. Okay, so percent row type, this is the declaration of this is the use of row type. Okay, so now I will show you how you can use this in the program. So in the same program I can just write here like this, let's say I will declare the variable v underscore row, and this is emp percent row type. And I have to select star. Since it's a row type variable, I can make use of star into this one from emp, where empno, let's say what is the empno for 3 Albert 300. Okay, I'm putting here 300. So dbms output dot put line, now I have a complete row in the variable. So this is the variable which will refer to the complete row of a table. So wherever I am selecting the complete row of the employee whose ID is, or whose number emp number is 300. So my complete row is been assigned to my row type variable v row. So now I have to print the name. I can print in everything of the table data like this. So I have to display the name of the employee, which employee ID is, or employee number is 300 like this. So my row type variable dot, what is the column name in the actual table, this is the actual column name of the table. Okay, so I'm repeating again, I am declaring this variable as a row type variable. I am taking a variable as a row type variable, row type data type. This is a data type, actually the data type attribute, and this is not required. Okay, so I am selecting all the columns into the this variable, because this is a row type variable from emp, where emp and we equal to 300, that is 300 is for Albert. So now I'll get the complete row inside this variable. Okay, this is because this is a row type variable. So now I can display the ename, or his name, or I can display all the data for employee 300, employee number 300 like this. I'm just showing you how to print all the data. So emp number, ename, and salary, everything you can print or display, you can access like this. So this is salary. Okay, these three fields are there. So now I'll just run this program. See here, complete record is showing, complete data of the record is showing. 300 is for, I have printed the employee number, that is 300. I am displaying the employee name, that is Albert, and the salary of the employee, that is 24,000. Okay, see here, Albert, 300 Albert, and his salary is 24,000. So this is all about row type and person type and person row type variable. I think you have understood it well, and that's all for this tutorial series, tutorial session. And if you tried to discuss and explain it in detail and in easy way. So if you learn from my this video, you just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that when I upload the next video, you will get the notification. Just subscribe my channel, hitting the bell icon, so that you can get the notification for my next video when I upload the next video. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. You just share it with your friends and colleagues. Just give a like after watching my video if you learned something from my video. If my video added some value to your learning, just give a like, and I'll make the comment below the video. Your comment is very valuable for me, and it will improve my video quality. Okay, so I just want your comment after watching the video, and watch it completely. Which video you are watching, watch it completely so that you can learn in detail. Okay, and watch it completely, and after watching, if it add value to your learning, give a like and subscribe my channel, hitting the bell icon so that you can get notification of the next video. Also share it with your friends and colleagues, like medias like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp group, so that your friends also can learn from my video, and they can make their skills also. Okay, and if you wanted to join my online interactive sessions, the process I already told you. Just go to the about page, and there is my contact WhatsApp number. You can just WhatsApp me, or you can just email me which course you wish to join, and I'll give the information of detail of that, and you can just start your course as earliest as possible. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Just give a like and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this session, and bye.